Hi everyone, welcome to KSP Creations. We will learn few questions in general knowledge. Here we go. First, what is the study of rocks called? Second, what is the atomic number of gold? Third, what is the largest freshwater lake in India? Fourth, when is the International Tigers Day observed? Fifth, who is the author of Unhappy India? Sixth, what is the name of the house which made on strong bamboo pillars above the ground? Seventh, who wrote the song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Eighth, which was the first color film released in India? Ninth, when is the Hiroshima Day observed? 10th, which instrument is used to measure wind? Here is the answers. First, what is the study of rocks called? Answer, petrology. Second, what is the atomic number of gold? Answer, 79. Third, what is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer, Vular Lake. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Fourth, when is the International Tigers Day observed? Answer, July 29th. Fifth, who is the author of Unhappy India? Answer, Lala Lajpat Rai. Sixth, what is the name of the house which made on strong bamboo pillars above the ground? Answer, stilt houses. Seventh, who wrote the song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer, Muhammad Iqbal. Eighth, which was the first color film released in India? Answer, Kisan Kanya. It was released in 1937. Ninth, when is the Hiroshima Day observed? Answer, August 6th. 10th, which instrument is used to measure wind? Answer, anemometer. Hope you learn all these questions. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.